podcast. We're talking today about Easy Publish 6.0 and its newly powered SQLite driver. We're going to be testing the default MySQL installation today. We're going to be doing this via Composer. We've got our host set up here. Let's see, we've got everything ready to go. 7X is the company that released Easy Publish 6.0. My name's Graham Brookins. I'm the name behind 7X. We've been working with Easy Publish for about 20 years, formerly as Brookins Consulting, now as 7X. And we want to show you installing Easy Publish 6.0. It's really easy. First, you go to your virtual host and run Composer. Here's the Composer command. It's really easy. I have Composer installed already, so I'm not going to show you that. But we first require the Composer to install Easy Publish from our Composer package list using the latest GitHub sources, main. That's the name of our GitHub repository. It's really easy. Run it. Then give permissions to the extension installers. We're converting those over. We should only have one here in the next couple of months. It's installed. Now the thing to do is to configure the time zone. We're going to configure for America, Los Angeles, the Pacific time zone. Now that we've done that, let's load up our virtual host. There was nothing there before. Now we're going to install Easy Publish using the setup wizard. First, we'll fine tune it. There's some commands that we need to run to set permissions. Oh, if I can remember my password. We'll fine tune one last time. Now it tells us that we're missing a database handler, just one out of the three. Postgres we're not going to install, so we're going to use MySQL's database driver instead. We'll configure our outgoing email server. Now we select our MySQL driver for the database system. I'll make another video showing SQLite here in the future. It's really just the same setup process, just a slightly different setup screen, a little bit easier on the database side. We have password managers. They always want to remember that database password. We're using English, so we're going to configure for the English language. We're going to use the 7X, the new 7X simple website interface package. It's new. It's got a responsive design, and it's built for e-commerce. So it comes with e-commerce extensions by default. First, we set up the metadata for our site details. This is how we'll access Easy Publish. Just setting up our host names and our database access. It's going to complain because we have data in our database, so we're going to remove that data and reinstall. We're going to reset this password though. And we're going to skip ahead to the next step of the last step of the installation. Once you see the open source community page on the setup wizard, you know you're one step away from loading up your site. It's actually installing right now. You can see the wheel going. It's going to install all of the required extensions and configure them for first use. And we've added a lot of extensions. I was logged into the admin, so it logged me right in. So our installation is working. And here's the user site access. We can order products in our new checkout wizard. Extension, rather. And you can put in your information. Let's see. Fill this out. Thank you for this. And we just placed an order with our default installation of Easy Publish. Because we've done additional configurations on top of Easy Webbin, we can offer a checkout system almost by default. It's really cool, and we really are excited about Easy Publish 6.0. 6.01 is going to be released in February, and it's coming up real quick. We really hope that you'll install Easy Publish yourself and join us in the share forums at share.se7enx.com. And you can post in the forums all of your support questions. If you have a question, ask them in the Share Easy Publish forums. Thanks, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful day. Join us again for the next installment of Easy Publish Insights.